Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. I'm here with the Mantic 9000 series clutch. This one specifically is for a GT500. They also make them in a 23 spline for 5 liters with the MT82. The great advantage to these clutches is that they use a sprung hub on the discs, and they use an organic or a cerametallic material, either one you prefer. I have a lot of experience driving cars that have these clutches. The engagements are really nice with the sprung hub, very smooth, very linear. As you come up on the pedal, depending on the car obviously, about half to 3/4 of the way up is when you get the full engagement of the clutch in most applications. A lot of people would say that they'd prefer to come in straight off the floor, but if you're launching the car at the track or something like that, I find it a bit easier if you have a bit more range to play with, that you can change how aggressive the tires are biting when you're leaving at the track. But the clutches grip really well. We just got done making a few pulls on the dyno on a car that's making over 850 pound-feet of torque at the tire on the twin disc setup, and it held great. And we have a GT500 here with the triple disc clutch in it. Again, great drivability considering the holding power of 1,500 pound-feet of torque. But that car makes over 1,100 pound-feet on its current setup. We anticipate it to be pretty close to the limit of the 1,515 pound-feet of torque on the triple disc once we get done with the blower upgrade here. But just overall, very impressive clutches. I've had really good experience with them holding a lot of power, as opposed to manufacturers just making bold claims as to how much their clutches hold. These clutches legitimately seem to be up to the task of doing everything that they say they can do. And given the nature of the clutch, the quality of the machine parts that come with it is phenomenal. These things come out of Australia, where people like doing crazy burnouts and super high horsepower cars, but everything is really nicely machined. The packaging is great. These billet spacer blocks, they're all nice billet steel. Everything's going to be real consistent for you. The installs on these are very straightforward. They make everything really simple. They include all the bolts that you need, the throw-out bearing, the clutch alignment tool, everything you need to get these in one of your cars over the weekend and get out there making some horsepower. If you have any questions about which clutch you should put in your car, or just things that you're looking to have catered to your specific combination, feel free to reach out to us via phone or email, and we'll be happy to get you set up with the right clutch for your application.